Hello everyone, it's Elizabeth. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be swatching the 6 dip powders included in the St. Patrick's Day collection from Double Dip Nails. You can use my code Elizabeth on their website to save some money, and if you're interested in seeing these swatches, then just keep on watching. So as well as the 6 dip powders, you also get these adorable St. Patrick's Day themed stickers, which I meant to put on my ring finger when I did the Skittle Mani that you'll see at the end of this video, and I completely forgot, but I wanted to show you them now. This first shade is called Cloudburst, and it's a gorgeous mix of green and silver glitter. On the website, you have the option to purchase just the powders in this collection, or you can also get the powders and the dip liquids, which is what I received, and the dip liquids are fantastic. You get the base, activator, top coat, as well as a brush saver cleaner. Here is White Gleam, which is a gorgeous pearlescent white shimmer. St. Nicholas is a stunning emerald powder. Be Fierce is a super fun holographic gold glittery mix. One Mittens is a beautiful bright green with gold shimmer. Finally, we have Victorian Cameo, which is a beautiful silver holographic glitter mix. So here is the Skittle manicure I created with the first 5 powders. I'm obsessed with how this turned out, and I meant to add one of the stickers on my white ring finger, and I completely forgot before I took these off because I did use a peel off base coat just to swatch these for you guys. But I'm really obsessed with this manicure. St. Patrick's Day is one of my favorite holidays, especially because my favorite color is green, so I love this collection. If you want to check it out, I will have the links below, and you can use my code Elizabeth to save some money. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.